Good afternoon. Assessment and Technical Negotiation. Student Deimaretien Baños Padilla. Tutor Julio César González. Group 69. Open and Distance National University. How important is the protection of intellectual property rights as a differentiating factor to stand out in competitive market? They are very important, also declared as asset of the companies since this make the brand instinctive slogan charter of their products cannot be copied while similar items to profit commercial and economic. How important it is to access to situatively of the different methods of evaluation of intangible assets to be competitive in the market condition of technological innovation. Intangible assets are a high property for companies as any cyclical product, since this determines the speed and reliability of the process in many cases, also involved in the economic factor to the company. Why is important to the all to develop a negotiation of technological assets that achieve the social and commercial objective of the organization? It is important since the purchase and the sale of such technologies, patent, copyright, and other is equivalent to progress not so much for companies but for society as it can generate income for everyone. How important is to find solutions to improve the digital transformation of Colombia companies? It is of great importance since the digital transformation in the chance of the commercial industry, since this will be door to the different market that in the past could not be possible. Digital transformation progress. Thank you.